And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. You can see Galbraith there in the distance. We're at 23 degrees right now, mainly sunny with some cloud cover thickening up a little bit as you look towards the south. We got down to 11 degrees at 5 a.m. this morning, and we just popped up to 23. We sat at 22 since 3 p.m. this afternoon. So we are at our daytime high. Winds are out of the east at 19 kilometers per hour, and we can expect to see our humidity levels rise a little bit with all that commotion coming north from the south, and we'll talk about that in a moment. Right now, though, we're looking at very, very warm temperatures here in southern Alberta, cooling off a little bit as you look further to the west, and of course cooler air mass in southeastern BC. This is where the heavy rainfall warnings are in effect. Some areas could see 30 millimeters of rain in the next 12 to 24 hours. And here is where we have the severe thunderstorm watches in effect right now, and we're keeping an eye on those. As we've been talking about just in the studio here, we've been saying that, you know, it's not as if we have very, very hot temperatures here. We have very warm temperatures here, but it's not as if we have the hot temperatures, humidity levels rising, a cooler air mass mixing in, creating those thunderstorms. They're already developed to the south, full blown. So they're heading north and they're heading to the northeast, which is why they have the possibility of affecting all of southern Alberta and southern Saskatchewan as well. So these thunder cells are already very active in their own right, then moving across and then mixing in with these warmer temperatures. So we have the support in position here as far as the warmer air mass goes, but these are already developing thunderstorms to the south, active thunderstorms already, so that makes it even a little more threatening here. On the forecast, you can see that right beginning of the loop, you've got the shower activity isolated to the west of the Continental Divide, and most of the cloud cover, as a matter of fact. We had a fairly sunny day here in Lethbridge, just some of that mid-level cloud, and then we had the cloud cover continuing to develop in the afternoon hours. It was very, very sunny this morning and a little less sunny in the afternoon in parts of southern Alberta. But then as we get into tomorrow, you can see these heavier pockets of precipitation outlined in the yellow, and the green, the precipitation mixing with the cloud cover starting to inch ever closer, which it does. So we don't have the solid rain tomorrow. Here it looks like in southern Alberta, in the Lethbridge area particularly, we'll see some breaks. We'll have some sun and cloud, and we'll have that risk of shower activity. But tonight is the danger factor for us in terms of that severe thunderstorm activity, strong winds, and of course heavy hail. 4 degrees in St. John's right now. We've got single-digit temperatures through the Maritimes, teen temperatures through much of southern Ontario and southern Quebec. Some cloud cover moving through actually from the east to the west, being rotated around an area of high pressure, creating a little bit of scattered shower activity, but mostly it's just the cloud cover that they're concerned with. They're not getting a lot of sunshine. 28 degrees in Winnipeg, 26 and 23 in Regina and Saskatoon, 22 in Edmonton. We've got some showers ahead, actually 3 or 4 days of rain activity for Vancouver. A little cloudy in Whitehorse right now. And Yellowknife looking at fairly sunny conditions right now and sitting at a very pleasant temperature of 19 degrees. The overnight forecast that you're going to be seeing from East Kootenay, first of all, you're looking at an overnight low of 12 degrees, expecting rain with that thunder shower activity tonight. And then tomorrow, showers off and on throughout the day, 15 degrees, going to be a damp one for you. West winds at about 20 kilometers per hour. Crow's Nest Pass, chance of showers or thunder showers tonight, 11 degrees for a low. Tomorrow, similar to what we'll see. You get a sun and cloud mix, and then that chance of shower activity, 22 degrees for a daytime high. For Medicine Hat, looking at mainly clear skies tonight after midnight, but prior to that, you too have that chance of thunder shower activity, 17 for a low, 30 degrees for a daytime high tomorrow, sunny to start the day with a chance of a shower later on. And here in Lethbridge, we have that chance of thunder shower activity tonight. Be aware of that. We'll get down to 12 degrees up to 26 tomorrow. Sun and cloud mix off and on for the bulk of the day, but then that lingering chance of afternoon shower activity as well. And there's your 5-day forecast as we get into Wednesday. A lot of sunshine for Wednesday and Thursday, and then we start to see the return of cloud cover on Friday. Not bad, but we do have that risk of shower, and we're keeping an eye on that. I know everyone wants a dry, sunny weekend. I'll step out of frame and let you take a peek at your record temperatures. And just once again to mention, while you're looking at those, the severe thunderstorm watch is in effect. That could quickly turn into warning criteria as these cross the borders. As I said, the thunder cell activity is already active in Montana and parts of Idaho, and that's heading north. So be careful tonight, folks. That's it for me. I'll see you tomorrow.